These are the North Tower elevators at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C. We're gonna start off by going down. So only this elevator goes down. We're gonna start off the round trip by going down, then we're gonna go up. You going down too?
Right.
Oh, so that's definitely a Schindler model. Yeah. So yeah, it's definitely a Schindler. We're gonna start off the trip by going down. Here we are at the basement. We're gonna call it an elevator. No, that's the only elevator that goes down to the basement. But there is an escalator right here. So over here, this is the come before, so they got something going on over here today. After that, after the North Tower elevators, we're gonna ride the South Tower elevators. Yes. Right here, we're going up. Yeah, so this is probably where there's no door close button. Going up, stopping at the lobby. Coming up. What floor?
8.
And so those were definitely Westinghouse mods by Schindler. Here we are at 11th floor. Let's see if we can get a view. Let's see if we can get a view. I'm not sure. Okay, there's a view right over there. Those are motorized shades. So that's yeah, so after that we're gonna ride the North Tower elevators. So I just wanna see, okay, this is the South, no, the South Tower. This is the North Tower. So let's go out and get a view. Oh, there's the other elevators right here too. Let's get a view out here. So over here, you can see, let's go over here. Over here, you can see a park right here. A park right here. I'm not sure what park it is called. But over here, you're right on Capitol Hill. So all over here on this side is Capitol Hill. And probably, this is the West Wing Cafe right over here. So I guess this is office space and retail on that side. Over there, This is New Jersey Avenue side. So, TJ Elevator fan, we're doing a hotel tour. M's 318 Diesel Ducey. What do you think? This is a firehouse right here. And we were just coming from the Legion. And so the rooftop pool is over there. And yeah, so, but the elevator only goes to the 10th floor on that one. So you can't get up to the elevator to the penthouse, rooftop. You have to walk up the stairs just to get to it. So now let's go down in the elevator and go on the south tower. Oh, this is a scenic elevator. Should I ride that? Maybe I will going back, going up, so going back down. Let's see what they got. So now we're gonna come down on these elevators over there, and we're gonna try to get the scenic ones. I should have wrote the scenic ones. Okay, right here. So these were definitely Westinghouse mod by Schindler. I hear one coming. And this is elevator right here. Slowly. And let's get a cab view. This is a nice elevator. Over there, these are your fixtures. So those are Schindler MT fixtures. But these are former Westinghouse elevators. I like the doors. I like the wood of the cab. Phantom. Going up?
Yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.